Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May I introduce myself? My name is Ahmad Samsudin. I'm from Department of Physics, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I will present about the identifying Javanese student conception on fluid pressure with Wright Map analysis. It's my outline that I will present. The first is introduction, secondly, research method, and then result and discussion. Lastly is a conclusion. In my introductions of the presentation, prior understanding indicates that the importance of information that is brought to the classroom. So many misconceptions happen in our classroom, especially in physics learning. If, in accordance with the scientific conception, especially in physics, understand the concept is our hope. But according to scientific conception, still happen partial misconceptions. Because misconception can happen to anyone and any concept, one of which is concept of fluid. This research aims to identify the conception of Central Java student, especially in fluid pressures, because it's our second research that we will conduct about doing research in fluid pressures, especially for students in Central Java. We use the method that for 515 participants in 8th grade students about 14 years old, and then for the male is 177 and the female is 300 more. All participants from Central Java, located from this part from the right map here. Our design the survey method used in this research to identify the conception for students in Central Java. We use 4-tier test that the instrument consists of 6 questions. This is look like the appearance of the instrument. And then data analysis, we use WinStep version 4.4.5. What we have been analyzed that we have analyzed about to identify by using the DIF item and then between within analysis by using WinStep or RAS model analysis. This is our category for the conception. Firstly is CU, is conceptual understanding, partial positive, partial partial misconception, no understanding, and no coding. So we have this mean that T is for true, and then S, etc. Sure, false, yeah, and F is N is not sure, etc. This is our percentage to analyze by using this second questions to determine the tendency of student conception. This is our result that we have the output from analysis for deep analysis by using the WinStep and we call RAS model analysis that we have a percent reliability here is 0.68. It means that this reliability is quite good. And then for the summary 6, we got the 0.99. It means it's very high level for the standard of analysis, especially in reliability. In the right place, we have Wright Map analysis that can we see that if you look like the diagram vertically, we got the map look like the normal curve with the highest point or the highest standard for the curve is here in the middle, especially for the M here, the detail, And we can see the, sorry, it's quite small for the analysis, but we can see that in the middle here, we can analyze is very highest put of the standard distribution or of data distribution. The highest position is here. And then we have analyzed how to correlation with the gender analysis with the how to set the female and male from race analysis. We combine from the Excel analysis with the Winstep analysis. We got that we don't have the biased data for the gender because all of them based on the male and female, they have the same categories, especially for the same condition for analyzing by using the Wright Map analysis. On the other hand, we have the other analysis by using the radar analysis that the percentage for each category of Central Java student conception, the smallest to the highest are for the no coding, we have 0%, and then the highest is 39%. It means that the partial minus. Finally, for the conclusion is the lowest percentage is found for the no coding, and for the highest is a partial minus of 39%. It means that still happened occur misconception in this fluid conception, but we have good knowledge here that we can how to say know the distribution of students conception, especially in Central Java. Thank you very much. It's our presentation. Hatur nuhun. Tasakar Adarim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.